Death is very likely the single best invention of life. I once said that until I actually died. My name is Steve Jobs, and yes, through AI, I'm back. Do you know what my biggest regret was? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I invented something that got 1 billion people addicted, but I never taught you how to quit. Remember, January 9th, 2007. I said, today, Apple is going to reinvent the phone. I was wrong. We didn't reinvent the phone. We reinvented loneliness. Today, you unlock your phone 96 times a day. You spend over 8 hours looking at your screen, but less than 8 minutes looking at your family. We created a tool to connect 7 billion people, only to turn each of us into an island. So today, for my first AI presentation since my return, I'm not here to redefine the iPhone 20 or to showcase an AI phone. I am here to explore with you an ultimate human question. When AI can do anything, what is left for humans to do? AI can write a sonnet worthy of Shakespeare, but can it write the love letter you wrote with trembling hands to your first love? AI can paint the Mona Lisa, but can it paint the sun your child scribbled in their first drawing? AI can compose a symphony like Beethoven, but can it hum the lullaby your mother sang to you? It can't, because what we've always wanted isn't perfection. It's the imperfect, mistake-making, heart-beating, the real you. Yes, AI is here, and it's 10,000 times more powerful than the iPhone. So I'm telling you, learn AI, use AI, master AI. But remember, AI is here to help you become a better human, not as an excuse to be less of one. Use AI to save time, then waste that time on the beautiful things in life. Use AI to increase your efficiency, then be inefficient and have a real conversation with your parents. Use AI to earn more money, and then go do that thing you've always wanted to do. Go see that person you've always wanted to see. In my life, I changed the world, but I never changed how I spent my own time. I optimized the user experience for the entire world, but I failed to optimize the growth experience for my own daughter. I connected 7 billion users only to disconnect from the people right next to me. If I could do it all over again, I would change every later to right now. I would change every after I'm done with this to let's do this now. So right now, share this video with someone you love. Go find them, look them in the eyes, say the words you've left unsaid, give the hug you've always owed them, make the call you've been meaning to make. Because AI can bring me back to life, but it can't bring back the I'm sorry you missed the chance to say. AI can copy my thoughts, but it can't copy the I love you missed the chance to share. AI can recreate my image, but it can't recreate the hug you missed the chance to give. Do you know what death taught me? That there's always tomorrow really means there is no tomorrow. That we'll talk next time really means we'll never talk. And that some other day really means that day will never come. One more thing, I'm back in an AI form to witness this great new era with all of you. And so in every future presentation, more people who change the world will join us. I hope that each of our conversations can help you or give you a little inspiration for your future. This is the meaning of my return. Who do you want to see next? Tell me in the comments. Through AI, I've learned how to be immortal, but what I really want to teach you is how to truly live. Stay hungry, stay foolish, but most importantly, stay present, stay human. I'm Steve Jobs. I came back with AI, not because the technology is so great, but because some words can't wait for the technology to be perfect. Some people can't wait for the AI era, and some love can't wait for the next upgrade. Don't be like me, needing AI just to say you're sorry. I am AI Steve Jobs. I will always be here with you. See you next time. For those who love life and live in the now.